Good morning students, welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have started learning about lesson number 5, the plateau and the desert region. Yes dear student, we have learned about the southern plateau, location and extent of southern plateau we have learned, and how the river Narmada is divided the plateau into two parts, that is the central highlands and the Deccan plateau. Is it dear student? And the rivers flowing in the Deccan plateau also we have learned, and climate, soil and vegetation and minerals available in the Deccan plateau we have learned. Is it? And after that dear student, we have learned about the great Indian desert. Is it? This is also called as Thar desert. And what type of climate is there in the desert region, vegetation and wildlife of the desert region we have learned. And we have learned about the water system in the Thar or desert we have learned, and what type of life is there in the desert we have learned in the previous class. Dear student, now I am going to solve the activity 1. So open page number 276. Here activity is given, I will solve. We have to take down in the textbook. Okay, here the boxes have given. So which is what they have told is, put a right mark if the given fact is correct or else wrong or cross wrong. Okay, so here I will write down the sentences. If the sentence is correct, you put a right mark. If the sentence is wrong, you put a wrong mark. Okay dear student. So first one, the Deccan Plateau extends till Kanyakumari. Second, Eastern Ghats are made of Eastern Ghats are made of small hill ranges. Eastern Ghats are made of small hill ranges. The rivers in the southern plateau are non-perennial. Fourth sentence, the rivers in the southern plateau are fed by melting snow in mountains. The Deccan Plateau is located between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. mountains. Yes, dear student, first I have written all the sentences. Now I will read sentence one by one and I will say that which sentence is right or wrong. Okay, dear student? The first one is the Deccan Plateau extends till Kanyakumari. Dear student, this is the true false. Okay? The Deccan Plateau extends till Kanyakumari. Yes, this is right sentence. The Deccan Plateau extends till Kanyakumari. Second sentence, Eastern Ghats are made of small hill ranges. Yes, Eastern Ghats are made of small hill ranges is the right sentence. Number 3, the rivers in the southern plateau are non-perennial. Yes, dear student, this is also a right sentence. The rivers in the southern plateau are non-perennial. Number 4 is the rivers in the southern plateau are fed by melting snow in mountains. No, this is a wrong sentence. Yes, the rivers in the southern plateau are fed by melting snows in the mountains is a wrong sentence. Number 5 is the Deccan Plateau is located between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats mountains. The Deccan Plateau is located between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats mountains. Yes, dear student, this is also a right sentence. Understand, dear student? The Deccan Plateau extends till Kanyakumari is the correct sentence. Eastern Ghats are made of small hill ranges is also a right sentence. Third one, the rivers in the southern plateau are non-perennial is a right sentence. The rivers in the southern plateau are fed by melting snow in the mountains is wrong sentence. Fifth, the Deccan Plateau is located between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats mountains is a right sentence. Okay, dear student, so this is the activity first, page number 276. Here in front of each sentence the boxes have given. You have to make it right or wrong in this box. Okay, so read the sentence carefully once again and tick the right or wrong mark. Now, dear student, I will solve the activity 2. This is on page number 280. Okay, dear student, this is activity 2. This is on page number 280. Just you open the textbook and what the question is there here. Find out the names of cities in the state of Rajasthan that have been given these titles. So, these are the some cities in the state of Rajasthan and they are called as some special names or the some special titles. So, which are the cities? We have to find out and write down the city name. Okay, dear student. So, activity 2 is find out the names of the cities in the state of Rajasthan that have been given these titles. Okay, so first one is the Pink City. The Pink City. So, for which place which city is called as Pink City? Answer is Jaipur. Yes, dear student, Jaipur is the special name has Pink City. Then second one, golden city of India. Golden city of India. So for which city it is called a golden city of India? Jaisalmer. So for Jaisalmer city is called as golden city of India. Then dear student, city of lakes. So for which city it is called a city of lakes? Udaipur. Okay, Udaipur. For Udaipur is called a city of lakes. Next, the sun city. The sun city, Jodhpur. Yes, Jodhpur. For Jodhpur city, they have given the title the sun city. Okay dear students, just see on page number 280, here the pink city, in front of you write Jaipur. The golden city of India, you write Jaisalmer. The city of lakes, you should write Udaipur. The sun city, you write Jodhpur. So you have to complete this activity. Okay dear student, I hope you all are better understanding about this lesson. Till here the lesson explanation is completed, and also activity 1 and 2 I have solved in the today's class. So dear student, till here the lesson explanation of lesson number 5, the plateau and the desert region, is completed. In the next class I will go to the evaluate part. Okay dear student, till then take care. Bye bye.